Vanshika.
And my name is Dikshita.
We are from 8th class.
Today we are here to representing a science model on
Solar system. Solar system. The sun, the 8th planet, and their moon and celestial bodies like asteroids and asteroids make up the solar system.
the sun. The sun at the center of the solar system. It is the highest and largest body in the solar system. Its diameter and its weight is 3 lakh more than the Earth. The light of the sun traveling at the speed of 3 lakh km per second and take about 8 minutes 20 seconds to reach on the surface of the Earth.
Mercury. It is the closest to the sun, so it is the hottest planet.
Venus. It is very similar to Earth in size, so it is also known as Earth rings.
Earth. It is the third nearest planet to sun. It is known as blue planet or unique planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. Moon. Moon is a natural satellite. It revolved around Earth.
Mars. It is also known as red planet because of its iron-rich red soil and pink sky. Mars has been named after the Roman god of war.
Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet and it is second biggest planet in solar system.
Saturn. It has many rings around it that are made up of dust.
Uranus. Uranus is very cold planet and it is a gaseous planet like Jupiter and Saturn.
Neptune. It has 3 rings. It is very similar to Uranus and can be considered its twins. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Palak and I am from 8th class. Today I am here to represent the science model on the topic of soil profile. The vertical section shows the soil showing different layers of soil. A horizon. It is the uppermost layer of soil. It is dark in color. Humus is present. B horizon. It just lies below. A horizon. It is light in color. Less humus. C horizon. It lies below. B horizon. Humus is absent. D horizon. It lies below. C horizon. It is made of hard and solid rocks. Thank you.
Bhavika and I am from 8th class. Today I am representing a science model on human digestive system. Human digestive system is one of the most important systems. Human digestive system helps in the digestive food. Human digestive system includes mouth, food pipe, gallbladder, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Digestion begins in the mouth. When food is taken in, saliva is produced by the salivary glands which makes the food moist. Then the food passes through the food pipe into the stomach. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Then the liver and the pancreas secrete juices. The liver secretes the bile juice and the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Then the food passes to the small intestine by the semi-solid fluid called chyme. Then the absorption of nutrients takes place in the small intestine. Assimilation is a part of small intestine in which digested and absorbed food is taken to different parts of the body by the blood vessels. Then the undigested food goes to the large intestine. The large intestine, the undigested food has some salts and water which get absorbed here. This converts the undigested food into semi-solid called feces. Then the process of removal of waste products from the body through rectum through anus is known as digestion. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Rashmita and I am from 8th class. Today I am representing a model on human heart. Human heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity and is tilted slightly towards the left. It is about the size of our closed fist. The human heart is a pumping organ that works non-stop throughout our life and pumps the blood to all parts of the body through the blood vessels. It is divided into 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called auricles and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The left side of the heart is completely separated from the right. The left side of the heart is completely separated from the right side by a partition called septum, which prevents mixing of deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Receiving deoxygenated blood from the body into the right auricle, pumped into the right ventricle, which send it to the lungs for oxygenation. The oxygenated blood returns to the left auricle, pumped into the left ventricle, and finally is distributed throughout the body by the aorta.
Good morning, so respected MD sir. My name is Pragya and I am from class 8. Today I am going to represent a model on nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism which can change its size and shape. It has two finger-like projections called pseudopodia which help to sense food and engulf the food particles inside its body. The food is enclosed in the food vacuole. The food is digested inside the food vacuole. Digested food is absorbed. Undigested food is digested throughout the vacuole. Thank you.
Krishika from class 10. Today's my topic is causes of pollution and ways to reduce it. There are various causes of pollution and there are various ways to reduce it. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees on a large scale which cause pollution, but we can reduce it by planting more and more trees on the land. Water pollution is caused when the plastic and the waste materials of the factories are thrown and contaminated to the water, rivers and lakes, which cause water pollution. We can reduce it by cleaning our lakes and rivers. Air pollution is caused by the cars because they release the harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, methane gases, which cause pollution. We can reduce it by using bicycles and buses to reduce the pollution. Pollution. We can reduce it by using many methods such as planting more and more trees, cleaning our surrounding areas, and using less plastic. There is a very need for reducing the pollution. Everyone should help each other to reduce the pollution for making the earth safe and clean for our coming generation.